Hello everyone and good morning to today's YouTube live stream here for you with Pro Traders Launch. My name is Michael, or when sailing. I'm live here from my yacht in the Nassau's, and we are going over some technical analysis with you here, see what is happening here with Bitcoin, or what has happened here over the last few days. And we will dive right into it. We got some really nice reactions at the lows. We also got some really nice reaction here for a re-entry with speed of wave. So I will quickly show you what happened here before. You see here speed of waves exactly nailing the low with some high negative delta candle here, another delta candle here, and then we got the first TP up at the highs, for example, and then again short scalps here. So you know, speed of waves used for scalps gives some really nice reactions and works very well if we are ranging. You can see here, for example, first reaction 1.7% scalp. If we continue on like that, you will see that we get some really nice reactions out of the alerts. And whenever a white candle prints with negative delta and aggressive shorts, for example, we can counter trade them. And the same goes then here. We get a lot of aggressive longs onto the high with positive delta. We can counter trade them and we can take profit here as soon as we see aggressive shorts again at the lows, and then again repeat here at the highs, positive delta. You need to have additional confidence, and we had yesterday, for example, we got a nice opportunity here for a scalp short on the VWAP close. So if we check out what happened here, we can see a really nice reaction yesterday here. We were ranging on Saturday, then we got our reaction into the VWAP close here, got aggressive buying into the level, speed of waves alert going up. Atas sends the alerts also to Telegram, and then we got a nice reaction to the downside until we got another speed of waves alert here into the low for another nice long opportunity. So really nice dictating the market here over the last few days with speed of waves, and you could really make some really nice profits scalping it basically with the delta that you have here on Atas. Also still monitoring ByBit. I'm not so sure yet how much I will continue to use it. I will probably adjust all the data because we can already see that all the wicks, all the delta wicks all over the place, more or less, they are not that accurate as on Binance currently. And there's probably been a lot of outflux of volume, and I will monitor it for a few more weeks to be sure, or to see if we can find a better alternative. But definitely be aware of ByBit's recent KYC and that a lot of customers probably left there, so we need to take that into consideration when charting on and when we read live order flow. So it's really important to not get stuck with one exchange, always monitor multiple exchanges and have a look around. So but yeah, let's see what happened here locally on Friday, or I think on Thursday last week during New York live session. We were around here, New York Open live session. We have about 14 sessions inside the Pro Launch in the Discord, and we recently launched our new dashboard, so you can see all the upcoming streams, watch them here, and you can also have access to the strategy lessons here, for example, with all the tactics. You can see the latest tactics that were shared, and you can go through all the different strategies, quite a lot of strategies actually from our pro traders, from everyone using different tools to do scalping, to do swing trades, high time frame trades, or to catch deviations. Really nice strategies in there, and you can check those out through our dashboard on the website. But on those live sessions, I also was going through an option with everyone to take the liquidity from here. I think it was the ray here and the overall 382 that needs to hold. And I was mentioning on Thursday that I would like to see a liquidity grab there, quick action below, and a reclaim. And so far this happened and it is still in play. So as long as this level holds, I would like to see more upside locally, and then we can see where is Bitcoin going from here. So what are the next levels to the upside? Let's get rid of this idea here. That one played out, and let's see if we can find a new idea. So first we will look at our weekly time frame here, we will see where are our levels. We have a weekly level above us. We can see it clearly here. Let's see if we mark that already, so we can draw that one out. So we have an untapped weekly level above us. Let's mark that. And no other weekly level yet. There is a few more important levels below us that we discussed yesterday on the swinger session, but I will dive into more local action here with you. And if you want to know more about the local actions below us or the local levels below us, check out the swingers session from yesterday. So we got the weekly above us, we got a daily here at 29,500, really important level for me. You can see we had another close here, we had another close here, we never breached through the level, so this area here for me is our first important resistance. And we got something else interesting up here. So everyone on Twitter, everyone everywhere is seeing Head and Shoulders, and what is happening with Head and Shoulders, you can really nice figure it out yourself, but we can also see that basically even the AI from TradingView is seeing Head and Shoulders, and we are basically currently getting back to take out probably the high of the right shoulder or get back a little bit higher, because everyone is thinking we are losing the low here, we are printing Head and Shoulders, we are dropping down, and our target would be around 22k. So let's get everyone bearish at the lows and then reverse and fake out the Head and Shoulders. That would be the best idea, and then we can get into a nice short around this region here with the daily and then take it to lower levels. So let's have a look what else we have here. Let's take the Head and Shoulders off and let's see where we are from a volume perspective, what is going on with our VWAPs. Always know that I'm watching volume more than anything else. It's the most important thing to look at. Also, speed of waves is based on orders and how many orders and equally volume is coming in. So if we consider here that we got the daily still above us, we also have VWAP bands above us. Those VWAP bands were really nice resistance. You can see here perfectly tapped through it, perfectly backtested through it, and then we were grinding above it basically. You can see also in the past already gave some really nice SR zones, and as you know, they are giving really good additional confluence. So we have the daily above us with the VWAP bands around this level, and let me quickly check if we also have some VWAP close around those highs and what CVD is doing quickly before we make a plan. So we'll see here VWAP closes, VWAP close 28,860. Okay, we have a VWAP close below us, but nothing around this region here, so nothing there. Overall, still be aware that we are still printing bullish CVD diffs on the higher time frame. It was also mentioned inside the pro launch quite some time now on all the major pumps here, and also here on the YouTube streams. You can also see here from this low to this low, for example, price is not getting lower, but CVD is getting lower. So we're pushing up higher here, and the same thing happened here again overall on the bigger time frame. So we're aware of that, and we can look for some shorts higher up. Really important, daily key level above us. We still have liquidity here, so if we go through it, be aware of that. But overall, we also need to be aware that there could be a change in market structure on the higher time frame. So everyone is focusing on more upside, and we are bullish and everything. But if we look at volume again here, very simple, keeping it very simple, you can see that basically what happened. We had the huge volume spike at the low with a lot of sells. You can see that here. And then what happened? We got the first push up with a lot of longs. We got the second push up with a lot of longs. We got the third push up with very little longs here. And you can see then here on this last push up here, really nice, we got a higher amount of longs than before. So it was declining overall, volume was declining, steam could be out of the rally here locally before we see a little retrace, and we got some aggressive longs here into these highs. So there's a lot of longs here, and I ideally would not like to see those getting out of their trades. So if we continue up, if we get our opportunity to get a short from the daily level here on this 2947 ish region, it would be the best opportunity, because we get a change in market structure. We could get into a nice short position here without letting those longs here out, and we could have a nice change in market structure to trade this a little bit lower. And that is it for today, I think. Let me quickly see if we have some local price action going on here so far. Nothing too crazy. You can see again here exact low printed after daily open with aggressive sells into the low, and we got a really nice push out from it. So speed of waves again dictating the market and giving some really nice alerts. And if you would like to know more about those, join us in the pro launch. You will get access to all the templates and all the strategy videos, and a really great community. So I would love to see you there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget a comment or a like, would really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.